Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Swanishri. I am an intermediate student. Today I am narrating a story. Let's start our story. Uh, one beautiful forest called Nilgiri. There was very different kinds of birds lived there. There was one bird, blue sparrow. That blue sparrow is called was called Neeli. One day, a parrot came to Neeli and asked, "How are you, Neeli? It's been a long time seeing you." And that Neeli was very arrogant about her appearance. So the Neeli arrogantly replied that, "Don't you see? I am cleaning my wings. Let me do my work." The Neeli arrogantly replied to the parrot. Then a few days passed like this. After one day, all birds preparing all bird was birds were preparing preparing cuckoo's birthday. The pigeon said that today we will have more fun. We will celebrate cuckoo's birthday. And a parrot said that we will enjoy all night. And the crow said that see that arrogant queen of arrogant, that Neeli also came for that party. And for that reason, crow said that see that queen of arrogance, who what she is doing here, who called her. Then the cuckoo replied that I called her because she is also member of our forest. Then no birds speak anything on the point of cuckoos. Then they were preparing for the party. They are all busy in preparing cuckoo's birthday party. Some are collecting fruits, some are collecting flowers. On the other side, the Neeli was sitting in one place. Then then the crow said that see that queen of arrogance. See that queen of arrogance. She came here to take rest and to eat. Um, listen this thing. All the birds were laughed at her, and the Neeli got angry and said that what are you thinking about me? You are making fun of me. My color is best, bright and different. So by said this, the Neeli flew away. Once again, they were all started preparing for party, and even after finished their party, they didn't talk with Neeli. One day, a family visited the forest. One kid belongs to that family. Belongs to that family said that wow, what a beautiful forest it is. I forest it is. we can find different kinds of birds here. And that kid was very much interested very much interested to watch birds and curious to hear the bird's voice. And the father of that family also liked the forest, and he said that yes, it is a very beautiful forest. uh, we will find a lot of birds here. Then the kid saw the kid suddenly saw the blue sparrow was sitting on the tree, and he said that he said to his father that look at there. There is one blue sparrow. It is very beautiful. I want that sparrow, and I will show it to my friends. Then the family also liked that blue sparrow, that is Neeli, and they made an idea to trap her. So they threw some food on the ground, and on the ground by saw this food grains. The Neeli came down and started eating that grains. At the time the family caught the Neeli, and after got Neeli, they went home. After some times on the way, they got tired, and they sat under the tree for rest, and keep that Neeli near to them. And in that time, the cuckoo and the parrot came near to Neeli and asked. Cuckoo asked, "What happened, Neeli? How are you trapped so easily?" The Neeli replied that, my dear friend, save me. I can't stay here in the closed basket. Then Parrot said that, you are the best among all of us. Why you need our help? You don't you don't like to talk with us. So why you need our help? And Neeli replied that said that, sorry, my dear friend, I made a mistake. Please save me. And by saw this situation, Cuckoo and Neeli pity on her and set the plan to set the plan to Neeli. And Cuckoo said that, Neeli, listen carefully. Now the family is taking rest. When they wake up, you pretend to die. Don't breathe. Don't move. And then when they get up, they thought that they thought that you will they thought that you will in trouble. They will get out from they will take you from the closed basket, and the closed basket. Then the Neeli follow the plan what Cuckoo said. Then the family woke up and saw the Neely, and they thought that what happened to her. Uh, it may get suffocated in the closed basket. Then they took up then they took the Neely out from the closed basket, and he get a then the Neely got chance to flew. So the Neely flew away. Afterwards, the Neely afterwards the Neely the Neely never show her arrogance with anybody, and lived united with all other birds. So from this story we learn from this story is we should never show our arrogance with anybody, because at the point of need the arrogance will never help, will never work. So be united with everyone. Thank you.